Have you ever wondered about the secrets behind your favorite colorful candies? How do those tiny M's appear on each M&M? What's the trick to getting a whole peanut inside that slim shell? And what gives M and Ms their iconic crunch? Today on Mega Mastery, we crack open the colorful world of M&Ms. Well, buckle up, candy lovers. We're talking war-born innovation, family drama, mega production process, and closely guarded secrets. Our story begins not in a candy shop, but on the battlefields of the Spanish Civil War. The year was 1932, and a man named Forrest Mars Sr. noticed soldiers eating chocolate pellets coated in a hard sugar shell. This ingenious coating prevented the chocolate from melting in the sweltering heat of battle. Intrigued, Mars saw an opportunity that would change the course of candy history. Fast forward to 1941 as World War II raged on. Mars partnered with Bruce Murray, son of Hershey's chocolate president William Murray. Together, they perfected the manufacturing process for their new candy. And here's a little known fact, the M in M&M's actually stood for Mars and Murray, a detail often overlooked in the candy's lore. After the war, M&M's hit civilian shelves with a sweet promise, chocolate that won't melt in your hand. This unique selling point catapulted M&M's to unprecedented popularity. Seizing the moment, Forrest Mars Sr. bought out his partner Bruce Murray's 20% stake, consolidating control of the burgeoning brand. And by 1954, M&M's had cemented its place in American culture, with the iconic tagline, "The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand," and the introduction of its beloved animated characters. But wait, there's drama. The Mars family had a falling out, a big one. It got so bad that the company split in two. You had Mars in the US and Mars in Europe. Two different companies running things their own way. Till the early 2000s, the family started to patch things up. Surely they brought the company back together. The journey of M&M's chocolate begins in tropical cocoa plantations, where farmers carefully harvest and ferment premium beans. These beans travel to Mars facilities where they're roasted, ground, and transformed through precise temperature-controlled processes into smooth liquid chocolate that serves as the heart of every M&M. Our journey begins with the heart of every M&M, the chocolate. The main ingredients are cocoa, sugar, corn syrup. M&Ms come in flavors beyond milk chocolate, peanut butter, crispy, and even seasonal varieties like pumpkin spice. Picture giant melting ovens where cocoa beans are roasted, ground, and melted at a cozy 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Then the magic starts in the conching room. The conching is an intense mixing process in which the chocolate mass is kneaded by heavy reciprocating rollers or by rotary blades. It's essentially a chocolate disco where everything blends to create that smooth M&M center we all love. For our peanut M&M fans, they're roasted and then given not one, not two, but 3 chocolate showers. Next, our chocolate centers take a cool ride to the sugar shell station. But how do M&Ms get that iconic crunch? Well, it's not magic, but it's pretty close. The chocolate pieces hop into giant rotating drums. Imagine chocolate going for a spin cycle. Here's where the real transformation happens. A mixture of sugar and corn syrup is sprayed onto the candies. Layer after layer. This process is a test of patience. It takes about 2 to 3 hours. Each layer needs to dry before the next is applied. The result? That perfect crunch when you bite into an M&M. It's a labor of love, folks. Now, it's time for these candies to get their vibrant outfits. Did you know that originally, violet was one of the M&M colors? It was replaced by tan in 1949, and then blue took over in 1995. The now shell-covered candies roll down a conveyor belt, getting sprayed with food coloring. Each color not only catches the eye, but also complies with strict FDA, food safety standards. So you can eat the rainbow with peace of mind. After their color makeover, the M&Ms aren't done yet. They get a final polish. This leaves them glossy and smooth, ready for their grand debut. And here's one nugget of information. Contrary to popular belief, all classic milk chocolate M&Ms taste the same, regardless of their color, so don't spend too much time sorting, just enjoy. Now for the million-dollar question. How do they get the M's on each M&M? It's not tiny candy artists with steady hands. The candies are sent to a printing machine where they each get their own slot on a special conveyor belt. As they pass under rubber rollers, the famous M is printed on with edible ink. It's like a tiny tattoo parlor for candies. From conching and coating to coloring and printing, it's a process that stood the test of time since 1941. Creating millions of perfect M&Ms every day isn't just about the recipe and the process, it's also about rigorous quality control. Each batch of M&Ms goes through multiple checks throughout the production process. Sophisticated cameras and sensors inspect every single candy, checking for proper size, shape, and color. Regular taste tests ensure that every M&M delivers that classic flavor we've come to expect. The quality control team even checks the meltability of the candies. Finally, these little treats are packaged up and sent out to the world. Here's a mind blower. They make 400 million M&Ms daily. If you were to lay out, that's enough to circle the Irch. Let's zoom into the present day, shall we? M&Ms aren't just candy anymore. They're pop culture royalty. These little guys have been everywhere. They've traveled further than most of us ever will. But here's the real kicker. M&Ms keep winning over new fans generation after generation. How do they do it? Well, they're not afraid to shake things up. Remember when they introduced those chatty M&M characters in the 90s? Suddenly chocolates had personalities. Now, about those flavors. Classic not enough for you? How about peanut butter? Pretzel? Caramel? Between you and me, I think they're running out of ideas. M&M lasagna, anyone? But jokes aside, it's not all fun and games in M&M land. With great chocolate comes great responsibility. Mars, the company behind our colorful friends, is getting serious about sustainability. They're sourcing cocoa responsibly and even switching to natural colors. It's like M&Ms are growing up right along with us. Still fun, but with a conscience. Each M&M is a tiny time capsule. It carries the innovation of post-war America and the eco-consciousness of today. Now we want to hear from you. What's your craziest M&M memory? Ever use them to bribe a sibling or woo a date? Share your colorful tales in the comments below. If you enjoyed this sweet journey, don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to join us for more delicious stories. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we're cooking up next. Remember, life's like a bag of M&Ms, colorful, full of surprise, and best when shared. So spread the sweetness and share this video with a friend. Stay curious and keep crunching.